Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this spring inspired look. Actually it was inspired by Daisy Marquez. This was one of like her first like signature looks, like before she made it like super big or whatever. And this has always been like one of my favorites, and I remember when she first started out, I actually created this look and it looks totally different than how I did it now. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I haven't done my brows yet, but we're gonna go ahead and prime the face. And I'm gonna be using my Stay Matte Primer by Rimmel. This is it right here. This one's kind of old. I need to get a new one already. So even though this is going to be like a dewy, glowy look, I'm still oily. So I need to make sure that I'm matte so that I don't like crease or anything. But everything else will still be oily. Like I'm gonna go back and forth and use hydrating products and stuff that's still gonna keep me like matte though. Like being oily and glowing is two different things, so you guys will see when I go back and forth. Okay, so I'm gonna do my brows now. I'm just gonna let this set. Actually, before I do, I'm gonna finish priming my face. So I'm gonna use the NYX Liquid Illuminator Born to Glow, and this is in the shade Gleam, and this is like a rose gold highlighter kind of. And I'm gonna be putting this on my cheeks, like the high points of my cheeks. So like here, here, my nose, just there. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this out with a damp beauty sponge, just to give me that glow. Feels pretty good. It looks so pretty already. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with one more thing. I'm gonna go in with the local liquid highlighter in the name Kayla. And it's kind of like a, it's not a rose gold, but it's not like a silver gold either. It's kind of like in between. And so I'm just gonna put some all over my face. I think I'm like running out. And I'm just gonna blend this out with a foundation brush. And just on my cheeks. And this is gonna make me look glowy, but I'm not gonna be oily. And I don't like to put any on my forehead because I feel like I can just go in with highlighter, because then if I do too much then I look greasy. So I just wipe like the excess on my forehead. Okay. It looks so glowy. Okay. Okay, so I ran out of my usual brow product. So I picked up this Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. And I got it in the shade medium brown, and this is right here. It's kind of like a dupe for the Anastasia and the Benefit one. I feel like this is more similar to the Benefit one. So I filled in my brows once with these, but like very lightly, so I don't know how it's gonna work if I like fully fill in my brows, so we'll see. Okay, so I went ahead and filled in my brows, and I'm actually like pretty impressed. Like they actually look really good. Okay, so now I'm going to prime my lids, and I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. I'm gonna see if I can make this like a full like drugstore tutorial, because most of the stuff I've used so far is like drugstore, except for that one highlighter, but I mean you could get any kind of highlighter for that one. So today I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. It's like a peachy orange color, and this is going to be my transition shade. And I'm going to be going in with my Morphe M511 brush. Okay, so I went ahead and zoomed in so you guys can see the actual eyeshadow. It doesn't look like too bright. Like, I feel like I was too far away to where you couldn't even see the color. I'm gonna go in with this darker orange color, and I'm gonna be putting this in my crease and on the inner and outer parts of my eye. I'm just going in with this brown right here, so you guys can see. Honestly, you just need any brown. This is just the one that's like closest to me right now that I'm gonna use. So I'm just putting this on the outer part of my eye just to deepen it a little bit. Okay, so now going back into my Too Faced palette, I'm gonna go in with Gold Dipped, and it's this shade right here. It's kind of like a golden burnt orange shimmer, and I'm just putting this on my lid as a base because I'm gonna be going in with some glitter. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my NYX glitter primer, and I'm just putting some on the back of my hand, going in with this small brush and just sort of tapping this where I applied that shimmer. And then I'm going in with this NYX Face and Body Glitter in the shade 4, and it's kind of like a copper color, and I'm just pressing this on my lid. And I'm not applying this heavy at all because I just want it to be like a sheen glitter. I don't want it to look like too much. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing the other eye and then apply some lashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. My camera died, so while it died, I went ahead and applied lashes and mascara. So the mascara that I use is a Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. I've been absolutely in love with this mascara. It's so good. Like, I literally have no lashes, so I always wear falsies. But literally, my lashes look so long when I wear this mascara. Like, I feel like it's way better than the Benefit one. And then the lashes that I'm using, these are Cocoa lashes and the name Venus, I believe. Yeah, Venus. Okay, so now going into foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. And since I used a mattifying primer, I'm not going to get oily. But I'm still going to be glowy with the foundation. Another one that I really like from the drugstore is the L'Oreal Lumi Foundation. I just can't find it right now. Like, I don't know where I put it. So I'm going to be using this one. And then I'm just using a brush by Bare Minerals, and this is actually my mom's. I just took it from. But this is like one of my favorite foundation brushes. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20, like I did earlier. I really love this concealer. It's just so good. I like to use this if I'm going for like a no makeup look. I'm just in the shade 25, and that's like the shade that matches closest to my skin color. I'll just put it like under my eyes, and then that's it. I'm gonna set my face with the Airspun Translucent Powder. I would normally use my Laura Mercier, but I'm really trying to keep this drugstore. So we're just gonna use this one. And when I apply powder to my face, I like to use a damp sponge just because it really presses the powder into the face and makes it look like super seamless and almost like if your face is photoshopped. The only thing that kind of, I feel like sometimes this powder washes me out and I look almost like too pale. Sorry if y'all can hear my brother in the background. He's playing video games and I already told him to like be quiet, but he like doesn't care and he's being like so loud. Hopefully you can because my doors are closed, but I mean I can still hear it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my LA Girl face powder in the name Warm Caramel. My sister got a hold of this, so the top's missing, but it's really good. So I'm gonna use this bronzer. There's a lot of fallout, so just be careful with that, but it's really good. I love this bronzer. I keep burping, I'm sorry. Okay, so while this bakes, I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm gonna be using the Milani Baked Blush in the name Carolina, and it's like a coral blush. It's super pretty, and I like it because it kind of has it has like glitter in it almost. I haven't used this blush in a long time. This used to be my go-to blush. Wow, that is so pretty. I probably look super pink on camera. Okay, I'm gonna just blend this out with my bronzer blush, my bronzer brush that I use. I'm good. Okay, so I'm gonna go with my Morphe 35B palette. I'm gonna use this color to smoke out under my lashes. My camera's about to die again. Okay, so I'm gonna apply mascara real quick to my bottom lashes. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with highlighter, and I'm gonna be using my Anastasia highlighting palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. Okay, so now to line my lips, I'm gonna go in with this Ulta lip liner in the shade Flesh, and this is just like a nude color, and I'm just lining my lips. I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip plumper in the shade Elizabeth, and it's just like a nude. I'm trying to hurry because my camera's about to die again. Oh yes, that's pretty. Okay, so that is it for the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this spring look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!